Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Indian politics related questions. These questions will be very helpful in all the competitive exams. So now we will see the questions along with the answers in detail. First question. Members of Election Commission are appointed by options: Prime Minister of India, Chief Justice of India, elected by the people, President of India. Correct answer is option 4, President of India. Next. Which of the following is not a feature of Election Commission in India? Options: communal electoral, option 2. Reservation of seats in the legislature for the members of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. Option 3. Secret voting. Fourth option, universal adult franchise. Correct answer is option 1, communal electoral. Next. Elections in India for Parliament and state legislature are conducted by. Right answer is option 1, communal electorate. Next. Elections in India for Parliament and state legislatures are conducted by options: Election Commission of India, Governor, Prime Minister, President. Right answer is option 1, Election Commission of India. Next question. Financial emergency is imposed under which article? Options: Article 354, Article 360, Article 365, Article 367. Answer is option 2, Article 360. Next. Proclamation of emergency under which Article 352 is issued by which of the following? Options: Defense Minister, Prime Minister, President, Home Minister. Correct answer is option 3, President. Next. Among which of the followings are appointed by the Governor? Options: Advocate General, Chief Secretary of the State, Vice Chancellors of Universities. Fourth option, all of the above. And the right answer is option 4, all of the above. Next. What is the maximum allotted during between the last session of the dissolved Lok Sabha and the recalling of the Lok Sabha? Options: 2 months, 4 months, 6 months, 5 months. Answer is option 3, 6 months. Next. The number of seats reserved for scheduled caste in the Lok Sabha is options: 59, 89, 79, 99. And the answer is option 3, 79. Next. Emergency under Article 356 is imposed by which one of the below? Options: President, Governor, Vice President, Prime Minister. Correct answer is option 1, President. Next. Which is the smallest Lok Sabha constituency in general elections by area? Options: Kolkata Northwest, Mumbai South, Delhi Sadar, Chandni Chowk, Delhi. Correct answer is option 4, Chandni Chowk, Delhi. Next. The elections for Lok Sabha are held every how many years? Options: 4 years, 3 years, 5 years, 6 years. Answer is option 3, every 5 years. Next. The governor of the state can be removed by which one of the following? Options: Chief Minister, Prime Minister, President, Union Home Minister. Answer is option 3, President. Next. Which one of the following article deals with the governor of states? Options: Article 153, Article 165, Article 167, Article 150. Answer is option 1, Article 153. Next. Which article of Indian Constitution says that will be an election commission in India? Options: Article 124, Article 115, Article 342, Article 324. Answer is option 4, Article 324. Next. Which of the following are listed has derivative principle of state policy? First option, freedom in the economic field for the interest of the customer and producer. Option 2, regulation of economic system of the country to prevent the concentration of wealth and means of production. Third one, to ensure the decent standard of living and facilities of leisure for all the workers. Fourth option, to protect and improve the environment and to safeguard forest and wildlife. And the answer is option 4. 2, 3 and 4th statement are correct. Next one. In real sense, the governor of the state is appointed by the president on the advice of following. Options: Chief Justice, Vice President, Chief Minister, Prime Minister. Answer is option 4, Prime Minister. Next. National emergency proclamation is issued in case of options: external aggression, armed rebellion, all of these. Option 4, war. Right answer is option 3, all of these. Next. Which articles in the Constitution gives provisions for the electoral system in our country? Options: Article 124 to 128, Articles 324 to 329, Articles 256 to 259, Articles 274 to 279. And the answer is option 2, Articles 324 to 329. Next. Which of the following are the discretionary powers of the governor? Options: selection of chief minister. Option 2, returning back the bill to the state legislature for reconsideration. Option 3, all of these. Option 4, provide advice to the president regarding president rule in the concerned state. The answer is option 3, all of these. Next. Directive principles of the state policy is mentioned in which of the following of Indian Constitution? Options: Part 4, Part 6, Part 8, Part 1. And the answer is option 1, Part 6.
Thank you for watching this video. Please share and subscribe our channel for more videos.